Hello Comercex members, I'm Marcus Baum, Sales and Community Manager. How are you doing today? Hope you are well. I'm going over week 6 income report. How things are going, how our accounts are growing and all that stuff. So let's take a look at the numbers, guys. We have done some pretty awesome things this week. We broke 50,000 on Alexa rank a couple days ago, which is very good. So last week we were 50,000th place on Alexa. Today we are sitting on 47,000 on Alexa rank. Last week was 68,000 members. Today total members just crossed over 81,000. So there are over 13,000 members joined per week. Total deposits last week was $588,000. Today it's over 850,000. So there is like over $250,000 in deposits per 1 week. Huge growth. Total payouts last week was $26,000. This week we pay out over $71,000. So we paid over $45,000 this week to the members. Take a note that all of the withdrawals will be processed every day within 36 hours and only in our office working hours. Let's continue on our review. I'm going to show you all our company updated payments wallets like Bitcoin, Perfect Money and Payer in exact numbers. Let's take a look. This is our Bitcoin and Ethereum wallet. At the moment we have over 45 Bitcoins, which is equivalent to $537,000. And we have over 274 Ethereums, which is equivalent to $61,000. So this week total balance on coin payments are $599,000. And last week we had on coin payments $433,000. This is significant growth in 1 week. Let's take a look to other payment processors that we have. At the moment, we have over $48,000 in reserve funds on Perfect Money payment processor. And the last week, we had over $36,000 on Perfect Money wallet. So you can see there is a growth as well. Let's take a look. This is our Payer payment processor. Currently we have $21,000 in reserve funds. And let's take a look. Last week we had $15,000 in Payer reserve funds. So there is growth as well. So this is it for this week income recap. I'm extremely happy to see numbers growing so rapidly. Our community growing day by day. Thank you all for your trust and contributions in the company. There's the bright future ahead. See you in the next week. Have an amazing day.